Okay, so this is going to be a fun episode. If you are sitting on a digital product idea, maybe you're creating a digital product, or maybe you want to create a digital product, and you're like, who the heck is going to buy this thing? Maybe you have zero testimonials. Maybe you have zero proof that anyone has actually already bought it. And maybe you have zero confidence that anyone will buy it in the future. So what do you do to combat all of this? Well, my hope is that after this video, all that changes. I'm going to show you how to launch your digital product with a beta group that brings in a flood of brand new buyers, builds instant credibility, and gets you paid while you are still building your authority in your marketplace. Now, here's the truth that not a lot of people talk about. The hardest part isn't creating the digital product, the course, the coaching program, the event, or whatever it is that you're trying to sell. It's getting people to trust you enough when you are brand new to buy it. No testimonials, no case studies, no social proof, just you and your probably awesome idea. But here's what I've learned after selling over $12 million of my own digital products, courses, coaching programs, etc. There's a strategic way to launch that actually solves all of these problems. In fact, even as long as I've been doing what I've been doing, which is coming on 16 years now, I've got a lot of credibility and authority in the marketplace. But when I launch a brand new product, it's still a brand new product. I don't have testimonials for that product yet. I don't have case studies for that product yet. I don't have the social proof, which is really important to sell what it is that you are selling. So what I do is I launch it with a beta group. And this is how you build credibility with your new offer really fast. You can get results with real people that are going to propel that idea that you have, that new product, that new coaching program that you have really fast forward. And today I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step framework that I have in my business for launching a brand new product out in the marketplace using a beta group. And this will work for you even if you're starting from scratch, starting from zero. It'll also work for you if maybe you're a seasoned course creator, digital product creator, or coach, and you want to get something new out in the marketplace, but you want to do it with really big results. And if you stick with me here, I'm going to show you how to do this with authenticity, urgency, authority, and I'm going to teach you how to build a waiting list of people that are really excited to buy from you. If we're meeting each other for the very first time, it's great to meet you. My name is Tanya Liza, and over the last few years, I've sold over $12 million of my own digital products, coaching programs, courses, and I've also helped over 35,000 students and clients to date build their businesses and sell online. I share my journey, my strategies, my success tips freely here each week. So if you like this kind of stuff, make sure that you are subscribed to the show. Now, when I first started in my digital product business and my journey in creating courses and coaching programs and digital products, I would spend time, right? You spend time building your digital product, and then I would throw it online and I would just hope that somebody would buy the thing. Now, if you do this, it might work for you if you have a really, really big audience and your audience already really loves you and you're a super influencer. But for most of us, we are not that. So what do? Something that changed dramatically for me is I got strategic with my approach. So instead of launching to the void, I would get very strategic and I would launch mini beta groups. And a beta group does 3 critical things for you in your launch and with your new product. First, it gets your product in the hands of real people that are excited to utilize it and give you feedback. This means you're not guessing if your product is going to work for people, you're actually getting proof. For this to work, you've got to set your beta group up properly, and that's what this video is going to teach you to do. The second thing this does is it helps you to acquire testimonials and case studies that are going to help you sell when you do a larger launch after the beta group. This is absolute gold. I joke all the time to my team and my staff that works with me. I say, hey guys, we can probably forget the fancy sales pages and just post all of our clients' testimonials on one page with a buy button, and people would probably buy more than if we had a fancy sales page. This is how important and how powerful social proof really is when you go to sell whatever it is that you are selling. So when you go to sell at full price after the beta group, you have all these social proof stories and testimonials that are literally going to do the selling for you. The third thing a beta group does is it creates momentum with what it is that you are launching out into the marketplace. And everybody likes being a part of something new and exciting. And whenever I do a beta group, people feel like they're a part of the build of the product. And it's almost like they're a board member. And people love being a part of something that is bigger than themselves. The best part about a beta group as well is you actually get paid to create authority with the new thing that you're selling. Now, this is not about giving away something for free. I never recommend that you give away your value for free because when people pay, they pay attention. But it is all about giving a deeply discounted offer for a limited time. So you might be thinking, Tanya, this sounds great. How do I implement this? So I'm going to give you my proven framework. Before you even open your beta group, you have to create anticipation. And this is where most people mess up. They typically just announce, hey, I've got this thing for sale all over their social media, email their list, wherever it is that you promote your stuff. And then they wonder why nobody cares. What I want you to do is start talking about what is coming, what you are building, what you are working on about 3 to 4 weeks before you launch your beta group. And then in that time frame, you're going to get people on your waiting list. Share behind the scenes of you building the thing that it is that you're going to be selling. I remember when I did my biggest launch ever. We did $785,000 of product sales in 10 days. I worked on that product. It was actually a signature program. So it took me a few months to actually put that program together. It was a full blown out program and course, walking people through a bunch of things to help them build a list for their business of people that wanted to buy. Now, when I was creating that program, I would take people behind the scenes with me every day in my stories, in my shorts. I would do YouTube videos about it. And I would say, hey guys, I'm building this really cool thing. Here's what's coming. Here's how it's going to help you. And by the way, here's how you can get on the waiting list. I talked about the problems that my product was going to help people with. I shared my process of when it's coming and I took them behind the scenes and they felt like they were a part of the thing that I was building. So you want to get people curious about what's coming. And a couple of my favorite lines that I like using when I'm building anticipation are, I'm working on something that's going to help you, and then insert the specific thing that it's going to help people with. I can't wait to share this with you. It's going to totally change how you, and then insert the specific outcome. Another thing that you can say is, I'm opening up a very limited beta group very soon for people who want to, and then insert the thing that they're going to be able to do or have by going through your product. Post these on your social media, send emails if you have an email list, share it to your stories. Stories for me were really easy to do on the daily as I was in the trenches building my digital program. So stories are a fantastic place to share behind the scenes and what's coming and get people on your waiting list. The goal is really to get people to say to themselves, ooh, this sounds interesting. I totally want to learn more. And then what you do want to have in place is a simple waiting list where people can put in their details and get on the waiting list so they can be the first to be notified. This is an important piece of this puzzle. And if you're part of Digital Creator Studio, and if you're not, I'll leave a link in the description of where you're listening or where you're watching. But Digital Creator Studio actually houses my entire online business, and it powers my entire online business. My funnels, my websites, my email marketing, my CRM management, my course login, everything is done by Digital Creator Studio. There's tons of really good templates in there. And I also include my waiting list template, as well as my waiting list training that walks you step by step through building a waiting list of anticipated buyers for your product or service. And this is why building a waiting list works really well. You're not starting from zero tomorrow when you actually finish the product and you go to launch it. And then you have an incubator of people that are sitting on the edge of their seat, really wanting that thing that you've spent time building. I've seen people in our community build waiting lists of 50, 100, 500, even 1,000 people or more while they were building their digital product. And then when they open their beta group, they literally sell out in hours because they built anticipation with this list. Okay, so now that you know how to build anticipation and that waiting list, the next part is structuring your beta group so that people actually buy your stuff. And this is where the magic happens. So your beta group has to have 4 key elements in place: urgency, scarcity, a clear transformation, and very specific requirements. Your beta group should only be open for a very limited time window. I would suggest 3 to 7 days. This creates the urgency. People need to know that if they don't act now, they're going to miss out. And you want to tell people when it opens, even before it opens. And then what you want to do is you want to use language that tells people exactly what's going to happen and when, even before it happens. So you want to use language like, hey guys, this beta group is going to be opening Monday at 9 a.m. sharp, and it's going to be closing on Friday at 9 p.m. sharp. And make sure to put your time zone in there. And you want to let them know that this is a one-time opportunity to get in at this price with maybe some extra bonuses that you put in place just for your beta group. And then what you want to do is authentically and very clearly cap your beta group at a certain number. Maybe it's 10 people, maybe it's 50 people, whatever you can realistically support to get that beta group of people actual results. And this satisfies the scarcity element of the framework. Now, you want to have a very clear, transparent outcome that people are going to get when they buy your product. And this isn't about features of what it is that you're selling. It is about the outcome that you are going to get for the individual that buys the thing that you're selling. So for example, in one of my products that I have called the Digital Product Lab, the very clear specific outcome is by the end of this 4-week program, you'll have a fully launched digital product generating you sales. Let's say you have a digital product talking about Instagram growth. The very clear outcome for you might be in the next 14 days, you'll go from confused and unsure about Instagram and how to use it to grow your business to generating consistent sales, at least 1 per day from Instagram stories. Make it specific, make it measurable, most importantly, make it exciting. Okay, so the last element of putting your beta group together, very, very important. You have to have very clear requirements about becoming part of the beta group. Your beta group members need to very clearly understand what's expected of them. And this is exactly how you get testimonials and case studies. So in exchange for them getting a deep discount in coming in and being a part of the beta group, they have to meet these specific requirements. Some of the requirements that I suggest that you include in your beta group to run this successfully are you have to complete this program in a very specific time frame. Another requirement might be you must submit a testimonial or a video testimonial within 30 days of completing the program. Also think about when you actually want to launch when you're giving these timeframes out. So you might want to collect things a little bit quicker. So make sure you have those very specific timelines inside of the requirements. And one of my favorites is you must agree to be featured as a case study. And this is where you can do a spotlight interview with your members. And this provides incredible social proof when you go to launch and actually put your product out there to the general public outside of your beta group. So in exchange for meeting these requirements, your beta group members are going to get a really ridiculous deep discount. So for example, if you're going to sell your digital product for $150, you might give them access to it for $37 or $47. But in exchange, they have to meet those requirements that you set forth in your beta group. Now, let me show you how to actually launch your beta group so you get a ton of people saying yes. Okay, quick pause and interruption on the video because Digital Creator Studio happens to be the sponsor of today's show. Now, if you're a serious creator or entrepreneur, you've probably heard of tools like Samcart, StanStore, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, and they're fine until you realize you need like 5 different tools plugged into each other to run your online business. And that's exactly why I created Digital Creator Studio. It's a true all-in-one platform that runs my entire online business. Everything from my website to my funnels, my email marketing, my contact management system, membership area, my courses, automations, payment collection, and more. Plus, DCS includes all of my proven templates and my AI coach that's personally trained by me, all in one place. If you want predictable income from your business and the content that you're creating without the tech headache, head over to digitalcreatorstudio.com to learn more. All right, let's jump back in. Okay, so your beta group launch sequence should look a little something like this. Day 1 to 3 is where you make the announcement. What you want to do is you want to email your waiting list and you also want to post on your social media. You want to talk about what you're launching, who it's for, the transformation they're going to get, the beta group and the requirements and the pricing, how many spots are available, and when enrollment closes. My highest recommendation is to create story-driven content. Share with people why you have created what it is that you've created, why you're passionate about it, who it's for, and how it's actually going to help them. Make this as personal as possible. Day 4 to 5, you're going to focus on social proof and urgency. Share updates on how many spots are left. And if you have early testimonials of people who have joined and just said that they're really excited that they've joined, share those screenshots. Say things like, we're already halfway full, only 10 spots left. This creates a ton of urgency. Day 6 to 7 is where you make your final call for the beta group. What you want to do is send a final email. I actually like to send 3 emails in one day, morning, afternoon, and evening, to the waiting list of people and get them off the fence. Let them know enrollment closes. Reinstate the transformation, reinstate the value, reinstate the beta group price, limited time offer, so many spots left. Give them as much value as possible and make it really easy for them to say yes. And here's a pro tip. If your beta group is actually over $100 for them to come in because maybe you're selling a higher priced thing, offer a payment plan for them. This will dramatically eliminate any financial barriers if there are any. And no, I don't think that you should have a payment plan if the offer is under $100. Now, here's a pro tip that I would highly encourage if you have time and the capacity to do, because the results will be even better if you do this. So even before you start day number 1 of launching your beta group, about 2 days before you open the cart to the beta group, you probably want to send an email and say, hey, we're 1 day away and this is what it's going to look like. We already have X amount of people on the waiting list. We anticipate this is going to sell out. It's going to go fast. So get yourself ready and make sure that your audience is setting a timer. Make sure that they're looking at their email or however you're promoting it on your social media, etc. So it's like a pre-promotion, and let them know what to expect. If you have time, I highly encourage that you include this when you get ready to launch out your beta group. Now, this is exactly how my students and I do everything that I teach, are launching with great results with our new programs. Now, if you're finally ready to start launching your digital programs and not wait for them to be absolutely perfect, this is your sign. Start building your waiting list today. Start talking about what it is that you're creating. And by the way, if you start talking about what it is that you're creating, you actually stay more committed to yourself to get the darn thing done. And launch your beta group in the next 30 days or less. And if you want a full step-by-step system on how to launch a digital product business, from idea to launch to automation, I highly suggest and encourage that you check out the Digital Product Lab. I'll leave a link in the description of where you're tuning in. I'll also give you a special coupon code, a discount code that you can use that will get you in the door at even a better price than what we typically offer it for. Now, I have a question for you. Have you ever launched or have you ever done your own beta group? If you have, share in the comments below and let us know how it went. Now, this video is just one video of my how to launch and sell digital products video series. This series is all about how to market and launch and sell your digital products and your digital offers. I'll leave a link in the description area so you can go and check out that entire playlist and that entire series. And I highly recommend watching this video next, where I give you 10 highly profitable digital product ideas that can make you $100,000 or more. I've done the research so you don't have to. If you like this, share it with somebody and get subscribed so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching. I hope that this was incredibly powerful and helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments area, and I'll see you on the next one.